Okay, I'm gonna try to show you how to play around with Photoshop using some of your original work, okay? So hopefully you watch the part 1 to know how to get your images into using Windows app and then going into your Google Drive from that Windows app and downloading everything and putting it on the desktop. So I just finished doing that. I'm gonna close that up. So here I am in the Windows app, right? Sorry for the bright light. And there's my stuff on the desktop. I downloaded some of my drawings. I'm going to use this drawing here. So what you want to do is open up Photoshop. Your desktop probably won't have all this stuff on it, but that's not a problem. You can just go search, type in Photoshop, okay, and it'll open up. It'll either open up CS3 or it'll open up the Creative Cloud 2017 version. Both are pretty old. This is really ancient, this CS3, but for what I'm showing you, it's really simple stuff. So you can use either one, okay? So when Windows opens up, just go to Windows here and just have make sure your layers window is open and your tool window is open. Anything else that's open right now, just close it so you don't get confused. All right, and then all you're gonna do is gonna go File, Open, and this is showing you the Windows app. Okay, so it's not the device that you're on, just so you're clear. And you should have downloaded things to your desktop, right? So I'm going to scroll down and open up my image here. So I want you to open up one of your original drawings or photographs, okay? And this is something you'll see. We're going to like kind of transfer just the marks and the darks. So that might help you decide what image you're going to take. And then you want to open up either make like a watercolor background, cool. So like here I just did like a wet into wet bleed, took a picture of it, and here's this little piece here. Or you might have an artwork that's already like a background. So this was part of an installation I did, and I made all these little tiny boxes of these tiny little paintings. So I might use that. Okay, so you have your original artwork, and what you're doing is you're going to combine it in Photoshop. So what I want you to do is you're going to go to File, choose New, and then call this your digital composite. Okay. In the other video, I might have been talking about it like nuggets. I think of like one of your drawings is going to be your nugget, and you put it in something else. And for now, just set this up to either be 8 by 10 or 10 by 8. That's a one printable size. Or if you want it to be bigger, you can go 10 by 16. Okay. Those are the two printable size areas that we have that seem pretty standard, but definitely make it 300 resolution. Okay. I'm just going to make mine 8, but well, I'll make it 10 by 16. Make sure it's set to inches here, and RGB color is good. White background or transparent, whatever you want. Either transparent or white. I'll leave it as white so you can see it. Okay. All right, so this is my new blank document. And if I do on the keyboard, the Command plus makes the, oh, no, you won't see it, sorry. Command plus and minus make the image bigger and smaller, but this is just my window here. So you can see that's how big it is if you want to see the outside of it. So all you're gonna do here is, oh, the other thing, you might, on your tools window, this is my tools window for Photoshop, your display might look a little different. So down here, these little clicks, you can kind of have just one at a time. You can have them on top of each other. I just recommend for this that you have these two little folders there, okay? So when you click on, I'm on this document here with this charcoal drawing, there's the layer for it. If I click on this document, there's that image. If I click on this, there's that image. So what I wanna do is take each of these. I'm gonna just take this. I should be in my move tool by default. And I'm going to...
Mommy?
Yes, Declan. Sorry, my son's here.
I'm getting really hungry.
Yeah, I'll make you some waffles in a second. Okay, hold on. All right, so I'm going to click here and grab this layer, and I'm holding it and dragging it, and I'm going to drop it into my new document. Cool? And there it is. And I've got my move tool, and I can move this into place, right? And then I can go get my background. So I can either take... I'm going to just put them all in here for now. So I'm going to put my watercolor background there. And when I'm done, once I grab these, I can close these up. Okay. I can close this one up too. Right. And I'm going to go ahead and get this one too. I'm going to take this, drag it in here and drop it. Cool. And you can see the sizes that they are based on what, you know, they all came from different document files. So you might bring these in here and they might be huge. They might be small. Don't worry. Each one of these things you will be able to resize. Ooh, okay, I'm going to stop right now. Make some breakfast for my son, and then, oops, how did that happen? And finish this, okay? I don't even know what just happened there.